So we're looking at the Bulldog Fix. That is right, ladies and gentlemen, the Bulldog is getting a fixed blade. That's pretty awesome. Under 3 inches on the blade, 2.97 inches to be exact. It is an O-show design. D2 steel on the black stonewash blade and a G10 handle. Let's go ahead and take a look here. I also have the folder counterpart, Bulldog, so we can do a comparison and whatnot later in the video. But here we go, unboxing experience. We got some paperwork. We've got a sticker, we've got the blade here, and then we got some other goodies underneath here. Silica gel, we have some additional hardware, the sheath itself, and it looks like we're getting an additional pocket clip. That's pretty neat. Wiping cloth and paperwork on the box as well. We'll go ahead and take some of these out, leave some of them in there. There are going to be multiple variants available. We'll talk about those in a second. But here we go. We'll put the sheath and the clip here to the side for a moment, and let's focus on the knife. Ooh, baby, okay. Sign me up. Look at this thing. I'm going to give it a nice little wipe right here, right off the bat here. Clean some of them oils from the blade. And what are we looking at? Well, if you are a fan, clearly, of the Bulldog, you're absolutely going to love this fixed blade. I really like what they did here. It definitely stays true to the design. It has that very iconic sheepfoot blade with a flat grind here. Again, D2 steel, very tough. And also with this black coat here. That's going to help with D2 not being as corrosion resistant as other steels. Nice G10 handle here, and it's interesting, we can see the spine here at the top, but we don't see it at the bottom. So that's pretty nice. Should translate into some really good ergos. I do like the lanyard solution back here, very nice and tastefully done. Absolutely dig it, nice and tucked away. Looks like TA hardware on one side and captive on the other. So, and we got the black and green sort of combo going on there. Very nice. I do like the handle to blade ratio there. Right, got a pretty decent handle there and a good cutting path. Also got a good plunge grind situation there, I can see. And moment of truth here, of course, the ergos. Oh man, come on. This is as hand melting as it gets. Holy macaroni, this is good, guys. Obviously, no pocket clip in sight. I mean, solid 10 out of 10 for sure. I can squeeze really hard. Very, very comfortable. I mean, this is a good decision right here. Pretty solid and nice contour G10 all around, and plenty of jimping. Look at this. Got jimping from here to here, and then a little bit of jimping right here at the front, right, for maybe like a pinch grip or front grip like this, right? That feels pretty perfect right there. You do a little pinch grip for package opening and Amazon unboxing or what have you. And it's also going to be a very utilitarian blade. Obviously, you could do draw cuts, utility cuts all day. The tip is lower than what otherwise would be the pivot if this was a folder, but yeah, nice and low and very, very utilitarian design. I mean, check this out, full 4-finger grip, right? There's going to be a finger guard right here. I'm able to accommodate my average size hands. Should be able to accommodate bigger hands as well, right? Check out, plenty of handle there left, and just very, very comfortable. Thumb right here on this curvature, feels right at home. And we are good to go, ladies and gentlemen. Solid little fixed blade right here for the geometry. We got the sheath, of course, rocking the button, spring-loaded button here, pretty common. Multiple holes here for multiple configurations. We also have multiple holes here for different setups. We got the adjustment hole right here for how tight or loose you want the sheath experience to be. And of course, you can mount it horizontal or vertical, depending on your taste. Right? If you want to go scout carry or not, up to you. Going into the sheath. All right, there's a satisfying click. No rattle, that's a good sign. And then out of the sheath, oh yeah, very nice. You can just push out like that. That is super, super sweet right there. Nice and comfortable. I do like this whole area right here. Nice and easy to push out with the thumb as such. And overall, I mean, just really good construction. It does have a drain hole, but it's on the inside. Will be pretty difficult to see. But yeah, through and through, you know, overall pretty good experience. You could swap that pocket clip for kind of like an OT clip looking clip in a way. That is completely up to you. If you want something less bulky, could go along with this guy. That's absolutely a possibility right there. I'd like to see that. Very, very adjustable, right? Very, very custom. And again, not as bulky as something like this. So you got pros and cons right there. Definitely got some options. Now, I don't have a regular size Bulldog. I have a mini Bulldog. So we'll zoom in here a tad bit. There's a fixed blade. Here is the mini Bulldog right here. This is part of a recent release a couple months ago. I want to say one of the last few drops of 2025 with the crystallized titanium on this one. Looking pretty hot. S45 VN steel. But yeah, very iconic ergos. I mean, this was pretty sweet and I love the geometry a lot. So yeah, obviously it's going to be a much smaller counterpart. But the fixed blade itself should be more along the lines of the actual regular size folding version of the Bulldog, of course. I want to say maybe some slight variations to the handle a tad bit, but I mean, for the most part, pretty much the same exact geometry. I mean, it's got to be, right? That's Osho design through and through. Love him as a designer. He's putting out some hot stuff, and I'm here for it, absolutely. So now there are going to be multiple versions available. It looks like we have 3 other versions are going to be on 14C28N. This is the D2 version. That's going to be an Amazon exclusive. All the other ones are going to have 14C28N. Looks like we have gray stonewash, black stonewash, and satin finish on like black, blue, and kind of like a beige handle color. Hope you guys really enjoyed this one. If you made it to the end, you're the real MVP. Hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your day. Take care, and I'll see you on the next one, either this one or this one. Peace.